It was early morning in the village. Mist hugged the hills and birds chirped like tiny flutes. Dharma walked down the path to the river. He had something on his mind. He had spoken to a friend the day before and they didn't listen, and that made him feel unheard. As he sat near the river's edge, he sighed. "No one listens to me," he whispered. Suddenly, the river bubbled softly. "Did you say something?" Dharma asked, surprised. The river gurgled again. "Yes, little one," came a soft, echoing voice. "I'm always listening." Dharma blinked. You can talk." "I don't talk like you do," the river replied gently. "I listen with my flow, with patience, with stillness." Dharma leaned forward. "But how can listening help?" "When you listen," the river said, "you understand. You don't rush to speak. You make space, and in that space, kindness grows." Dharma sat quietly. The river's voice faded into the rippling water. He closed his eyes and listened, not just to the river, but to the birds, the wind, and the beating of his own heart. He felt peaceful. As he stood up, the river gave him one last gift, a smooth, round stone shaped like an ear. He placed it in his pocket beside the golden leaf. Lesson. Listening is a quiet gift we give to others and to ourselves. That evening, Dharma couldn't sleep. He walked into the garden and saw dozens of glowing fireflies dancing in the dark. He chased one, laughing, then sat under the Bodhi tree. Suddenly, the fireflies began blinking in a gentle pattern. Blink, blink, pause, blink. It felt like music. He whispered, "Are you singing?" A tiny voice replied, "Yes, we are. Not with sound, but with light." Dharma looked in awe. "How do you all blink together?" "We wait for each other," said the firefly. "We listen. We glow when it's time. Alone, we're small. Together, we shine brighter." Dharma felt the warmth of the golden leaf, the stone from the river, and now this firefly's glow. He realized listening, reflection, and togetherness, they all helped the world feel safe. He whispered, "I think I'm starting to understand." Lesson. When we connect with others, we shine brighter together.